Oh, remember yours are down, and we're clapping. Put your puppet down. Clapping for Zach. Hello, hello. Come sit, come sit. Oh my. And who do we have here?
Electron.
Electron. Everyone go, ooh.
Electron,
Tell us all about you. What makes you so special?
I'm an underground guardian, and also I'm a half robot.
Oh, we've got to see this action here. Oh my goodness, look how he moves. And you're an underground, what was that?
Guardian.
Guardian of what? What do you guard?
I guarded the gold underground.
Ooh. And you're part of a robot?
Yes.
Can you do a robot move?
Yes.
Let's see it.
I can twist my arm backwards.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh.
Well, and say your name, Electron?
Yep.
Electron. Can we do the Ophelia dance? You can teach me robot. Ready? Let's go. Ooh, Oh, look at those robot moves. Everyone, let's have a clap, a round of applause for Electron. Oh, one last question. Do you have a favorite food? Underground food. Like beetles? Do you like beetles?
That's my favorite.
Fried beetles it is. I'm having them for lunch just for you, Electron. Right, Edna? Right?
Oh.
Okay, round of applause again for Electron.